Hi, I'm Matt Hayson and thanks for watching The Market Pulse. Let's take a close look at some interesting sales over the past week. 12 Norman Street in Rozelle sold for a staggering $1.375 million. And what's interesting about the sale is it last traded for $960,000 in just October 2014. Now this represents over 40% growth in a 6-month period. Also, our Drummoyne team sold 251 to 253 Liverpool Street in Ashfield for a staggering $5.5 million. Now this was $2 million above the set reserve of $3.5 million. Now at the moment, it's hardly any surprise why we're continuing to see incredible buyer interest at our open homes and also registrations at our auctions. When we take a closer look at what's available on the market, there's not much around. At the moment, just 8 homes are available in Drummoyne, just 17 homes available in Balmain, 14 homes available in Rozelle, 13 homes available in Lilyfield and 14 homes available in Annandale. Now these stock levels represent well below 50% margin of what we would consider a balanced market. So patience is certainly required if you're a buyer at the moment. Now looking ahead, we've got some fantastic homes going under the hammer this weekend, particularly in Rozelle. So make sure you check everything out on our website. Our entire team looks forward to seeing you out and about this weekend. Thanks for watching.